Hi everyone, it's Anne here from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back with another tutorial. And first off, I hope the lighting's better because I have treated myself to like a really big studio light thing which I've never had. I've just used a daylight lamp, and I was sick of it, like, because at the minute I'm having to film on a night and it was just too dark and shadowy. So I've gotten a light. I'm pretty impressed with it. There still is a couple of shadows, but I think for that I would need another one at the other side. But I'm pretty impressed with it up to now. So a few people in my craft group have been making these, and it is a open book easel card, and it's beautiful. And also I've made it where the pages do actually open. I haven't had a lot of time to decorate it because I just wanted to try it, but I've just glued some of the little cuddle bits out of the paper and just some little dies and stuff, and they're ALINACRAFT dies, the little key, and I stamped that, and then I put a couple on there, and it's really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is, because I made that one with the die that I bought probably last year and I've never used it, which is this one. You can get them, I can put a link for it anyway, but I thought, well, let's not use them. So what I have done is I've got these dies here that I've had and just got from various places, and I took this one here and I thought I can like create my own kind of book effect with it. So what I've been doing is I have made the base for the easel, and all I did was I took some card which was 6 inches by 8 inches. I scored it in the middle at 4, and then I folded this again over like that. So, and then what I did was I put this on and I ran both ends through the die machine. So now we've got the base for our easel, and then I cut a piece of card again which was 6 by 4, and I just scored it in half, and then I cut both ends with the same die, and we are going to stick that on there to make the start of our little book. And then I've just took some paper and I have just kept going down in sizes. This again was 6 by 4, and that's going to line on the bottom. This one here I cut just slightly smaller than 6 by 4, so it's left like a border around. And then I've just kept going down 1/4 inch, so this would be 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, and so on. And these are going to be my little pages, and then all I've done is I've just folded them all in half when I've cut them. So I thought that was a good way. If you don't have that die set, you're bound to have some little edging dies, but even if you don't, all you need to do is cut the sizes I've said, and then instead of putting a die on the ends, you can just round the corners and just have it, you know, as a normal kind of shape that a book is. You don't have to have these at all. So just do everything the same and just don't cut the edges off, if that makes sense. So I'm going to glue this bit on here. So just put glue on here. And then I'm just going to glue that over on there. Alright, so you don't particularly need that die to make them anyway. And I'm going to glue this one on flat. Alright. Oh no, that's not for there, that's why, you stupid woman. No, it is. That's the bit for the bottom. Oh god, right, glue it on again. It's been a long day again. I've also bought a new camera as well, so I'm just trying to work that out. And if I remember, I'll show you before I finish the video. But it's really nice. Cost way more than the one I'm using now, but I've been thinking about getting a new one for a while. But I did earn some money from like my Amazon storefront and the links I put on Amazon on my videos, and I earned quite a bit, so I didn't really have to pay a lot for them, you know, nowhere near what they would be. So I've just chucked that money back into my YouTube channel, I suppose. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to put glue just down like the spine of these little books, little pages, sorry, and then we're just going to glue them just in the middle, and then just keep going like this. And as you can see, it's really easy to do. And we're just going to see, just check that they open, and then you can just kind of bend them to give that, you know, kind of open book look. There we go. I think that looks really pretty. Nothing wrong with that at all. And then for decoration wise, what I've done is the paper pad came with little cutouts, so I've just fussy cut some, and I've also stamped and coloured these in with my Avery L Be a Unicorn stamp. And the paper pad's this one from Hobbycraft, and as I said, you get little cut pieces, and that's where all the paper's from as well. So I might use, no, I'm going to use this for my little stopper, I think, because I might put the unicorn on one of the pages or either at the side, I'm not sure yet. But this was one of the sentiments from the stamp set, I Believe in You. So I want to put this just somewhere there. Oh, but no, see, it won't, because my die goes up like that, so I'm going to have to use a stopper for the side, which is okay. Yeah, I could use the unicorn. there we go. I think that is just absolutely adorable. And then we've got our cute little pages. Love you, amazing, keep sparkling. Got a little crown, hooray. We've got amazing, you're the best, it's the little things in life, and wow. And then I might see if I can get something to stick on there, but I just really wanted to show you that you don't particularly need the open book dies if you've got a border, or just like I say, just cut the same sizes but just round the corners or something, and it will still look like an open book. But I'll put the sizes and stuff on my blog if you want to make it. There's the original one I made. This was made with a Minté paper pad, but that's beautiful as well, and it's really thick paper, this too, and it's double-sided, which it's nice to use double-sided. But they're, as I said, they're just little die cuts, which are ALINACRAFT dies, but I love the key. Beautiful. I'll put the links for them. That's an Alina die and an Alina stamp as well. So yeah, there we go. So I hope the light's better, and hopefully, oh, my new camera, yeah, I'll show you the box. It is this Canon EOS 4000. It's a DSLR camera, which I've never had before, so I'm so excited, and it is beautiful as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.